Hi and welcome to Hotel Website Creation course. My name is Shashank and I will be teaching you how we can create our hotel website or restaurant or resort website. So this is our theme. This is Hotel WordPress theme that we can get from the theme forest. We have some functionalities for check-in and check-out for the guests. We can feature our featured room and other rooms that we have in our hotel. We also have functionality like video, that if you click on this play button, the video will start. At last, we also have the feature like adding blogs to the website and footer. We also have some other parts like we can showcase our restaurant photos, reception photos, and we can also showcase our locations where we are present and some gallery photos. So let's get started with this course. In this course, I will also be showing you how we can create a search page where we will be able to search for our hotel rooms and also filter them with price, services and extra services. Also, I will be showing you how we can create a contact us page for the hotel where we can have a contact form, add our details, location and a contact map. Then I will show you how we can create our about us page where we can add about our hotel, our rooms, employees, services and all other features about our hotel. Then we will be creating our terms and conditions page where we will be adding terms and conditions and all the FAQs that people may ask us and all the information about our hotel. And finally, this will be our hotel room. Our hotel room will have a price with per night, title with stars, check-in and check-out feature, other rooms functionality and in-depth details about our room, some information, room service and around the hotel. After that, we will be having a similar rooms which will automatically get data about our similar rooms. So let's get started with the course. In the course,